Hello, I'm making achar gosh with basically chicken. So let's start. Get your ingredients together. Achar gosh masala, take it out in a bowl. Onions, fried. Two handsful. Now add 2 tablespoons of garlic powder. Mix it. Yogurt 2 tablespoons. Mix. Add some water. Keep mixing. Keep mixing. Pressure cooker is already turned on. Check the heat. Half a cup of cooking oil I have already put in. Now add washed chicken. Now mix it. See how it's changing the color. Keep mixing for a few minutes, maybe 1 minute. Add the prepared mixture paste. Keep mixing it with the chicken so it's mixed evenly. Add potatoes. Potatoes are your choice. You can make it without potatoes too. Cover it. Close the lid. Lock it. And it's already running for 13 minutes. Okay, now food is ready. This was off for last 5 minutes because I let it sit for the steam to settle down. Now check this knob to make sure there is no more steam. So I turned it on this side to make sure there is no steam coming out. Now slowly turn the lid open. And see, the food is ready. Okay, let's look at this again. I have garnished with some cilantro. You can put some green if you want, but you don't need to. So this is ready to be served. Look how beautiful this looks. Yay, enjoy.